Working in hot temperatures can be challenging, but sometimes necessary. If that unavoidable job includes solvent cementing plastic pipe, you can do it successfully with Weld-On solvent cements. Weld-On solvent cements are formulated to work well at elevated temperatures, where high-strength chemical solvents tend to evaporate faster. With the right knowledge, equipment, and a little extra care, successful leak-proof joints can be made in even the most extreme hot weather conditions. Store solvent cements and primers in a cool or shaded area prior to use. Also, store pipe and fittings in a shady area if possible before solvent welding. If the pipe is stored in direct sunlight, the pipe surface temperature may be 20 to 30 degrees Fahrenheit higher than the ambient temperature. Surfaces can be cooled for joining by using a cool damp rag pulled from ice water. Be sure that the surface is dry prior to applying the solvent cement. Using a primer and heavier high-viscosity solvent cement will provide a little more working time. Vigorously shake or stir the solvent cement before use. Try solvent welding the joints, working quickly during the cooler morning hours. Make sure that both surfaces to be joined are still wet with the solvent cement when putting them together. With larger size pipe, more people on the crew may be necessary. Chemical solvents attack hot surfaces faster and deeper, especially inside a joint. Therefore, it is very important to avoid puddling the solvent cement inside the fitting socket and to wipe off any excess solvent cement outside the joint. Anchored and final connections should be made during the cooler hours of the day when possible. There can be a greater expansion-contraction factor affecting the pipe in hot weather. We suggest you follow the advice of the pipe manufacturer regarding this condition. For full application instructions and more, visit us online at www.weldon.com or click on the links provided in the description below.